am late with my date with Jules. I feel bad. Best friend tag.
Corny. Wala ka bang 3G?
Wala akong phone.
Ayaw ka pala. Hindi siya naglo-load. Hi, Hanami subscribers.
Subscribe to Jules, man.
I am Hannah's friend, Jules. Hindi siya mabukas! Ang corny na mga tanong! Wala nang intro.
Hi. We're going to do the best friend tag because we have nothing else to do. How and when did you meet?
Ako ba magsasagot? Ikaw?
Oo, ikaw.
Kala ko ikaw at saka ako.
We met nung
Grade 8.
grade 8 because of Jamie. Iniwan kami ng mutual friend namin. Tapos, nagkatabi
Sa
lang
fourth
kami.
floor ng
Main
Bleep building.
Bleep building.
Tapos lunch nun. So, loner ako. Dati stalker ako ni Hannah. Ng grade 7. Bago kami maging classmates. Sabi ko na ba sa'yo yun?
Oo. What was your first impression of him or her?
Necrophilic.
Kasi there was this story that we put for a group work and I wrote the story
Unconditional love. Yung theme.
and the guy was dead. I mean, the girl was dead.
Pangalan niya Thomas.
Tom or Thomas had a girlfriend or a partner and the partner was dead. And yun yung first impression
Thomas
mo sa
was a
akin.
very busy man. Ano first impression mo sa akin?
Snob. That's it. She was reading a book and
Hindi ko yun natapos.
she was reading a book
City of Heavenly Fire.
and she had earphones on. So parang she didn't want to talk to anyone. Emo Jules face. What's your favorite memory together? Wala.
At una kong naisip yung after cheer dance, naglilinis tayo ng Amado. For some reason.
That was a good memory.
Nandun pa rin yung video sa akin. Pwede yung send sa'yo, pero
we were dancing to
yeah.
Yepuda. We should dance that
No.
right now.
No.
Wala akong maisip kasi lahat naman favorite ko.
Naisip ko din yung yung may one time, Friday noon, hintay ko sundo ko. Punta tayo sa gitna ng Amado. Basta yun.
Grade 10?
Yeah. Tapos pumunta din tayo dun sa main.
Lagi naman tayo ganun.
Or yung yung dito, stay.
Ako yung pumunta kayo sa bahay ko.
Yun stay.
Yung birthday.
Anyway.
Watch that video in the
Segue.
I'll put the link in the description for that video. For those videos. Subscribe to Jules Main.
Kaya ako lang sinabi yung mga memory na yun para ito.
Describe each other in one word. Swipe.
Dilawan.
What's their middle name?
Middle name as a second name. Mother's maiden name.
For privacy reasons, hindi namin sasagutin to.
Second name niya, Marie.
Second name niya, Isabel. What's their shoe size?
Pareho na nga tayo.
Do.
Mga 38 ka.
Around 38. List 3 items that he or she always carries with him or her.
Kasama ba phone?
Yes, phone.
Phone.
Hindi ko dala ngayon. I forgot my phone at home. Phone, ID picture.
Why?
I always have an ID picture. Not necessarily a view. And earphones.
Wallet, not phone. Hirap.
That sound.
I can't answer the question.
Favorite inside joke?
Meron ba?
Marami tayong inside jokes, but
Oh.
ho.
Ba't nandito si Eggy?
This is Eggy. If you were ordering a pizza for him or her, which toppings would he or she want?
Pineapple.
She would not want pizza.
Block me.
What's their favorite food? I forgot.
Grabe ito. Ikaw favorite food mo? Pizza.
Marami akong favorite food,
Yeah.
but I forgot yours.
Chicken.
Oh, chicken. I love chicken. Tatandaan ko yung kay Eggy.
Adobo. Adobo sa'yo. Lagi mo yung
Sinigang.
bawang.
Yan.
Si Eggy favorite food niya.
Ramen.
No noodles, any kind of noodles.
Or just ramen. She said ramen. What's their favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate?
Cookies and cream.
I don't know.
What's their favorite music artist or band?
BTS.
The main.
PSA, I hate the main. Hindi ko sila makikita next week. Or in Hanami time yesterday.
What are his or her favorite movies of all time? Donnie Darko.
Medyo cute. Ikaw, favorite movie ka ba? Eternal Sunshine?
On a free day, he or she A. sleeps late, B. gets up at a normal time, or C. gets up earlier.
B.
A. What does he or she likes? Grammar! What does he or she like or dislike? Like and dislike.
You like me, you dislike me.
That's true. You like music and you dislike
The
toot.
maid. I dislike the maid.
She dislikes the maid. What are his or her strengths and weaknesses?
Weakness mo, pronouncing strength.
Strength mo, bullying me. What are his or her phobias or fears?
Commitment.
Hey, I like ay ako ba?
I don't know.
I like commitment.
Wala tayong music. Ang boring talaga nito. I'm so sorry. Listen, support NCT 127, even if their comeback's weird. I love them.
Do you have nicknames for each other?
Ho.
Ho.
Hanami.
I'm Honami. And Joel's main.
Ano nickname mo? Number 1. Sa group chat namin ni Eggy. I am number 1 soft ho.
I'm number 1 mother ho.
Eggy is number 1 baby ho.
2 things your best friend doesn't know about you.
Kulay ng panty mo.
kulay ng bra ko. Basta yun.
Yeah.
Color of our underwear. What do you admire most about your best friend?
Wala. Promoting me.
Making videos about me.
Tapos na?
Yeah, that was 20 questions. That was for the icon.